Hey,
What's
yo,
up, guys?
Today we're going to be talking about Maurice Wilkins
Whoa!
and the discovery of the double helix.
Let's go!
Yeah. Okay, let's get into it.
Yeah. Born on December 15th, 1916, in Pongaroa, New Zealand, Maurice Hugh Frederick Wilkins moved to England at what age? The age of 6. He pursued physics at St. John's College in Cambridge, graduating in 1938, and earned his PhD from the University of Birmingham in 1940.
Let's go.
He focused on phosphorus and electron traps.
During World War II, Wilkinson contributed to the development of radar screens and worked on isotope separation as a part of the Manhattan Project in University of California, Berkeley. After the World War II, he returned to academia, joining the biophysics unit at King's College London in 1946, where he began applying physics to biological problems.
Yeah. The one and only has arrived. Maurice Wilkins in the flesh. Studying DNA. What are you hiding? What pattern are you trying to reveal? Imagine there's a light here. This cross pattern. It's not random. It's repeating. It's orderly. It's helical. I'm closer than I think. Cut it. What's up? I'm going to be talking to you about Maurice Wilkins. Wilkins' pioneering work in X-ray diffraction studies of DNA provided critical insights into its structure. His photographs, along with those of Rosalind Franklin, were instrumental in revealing the double helix configuration of DNA. These images were then shared with James Watson and Francis Crick, aiding the construction of the DNA model.
In recognition of their groundbreaking discovery, Wilkins, Watson, and Crick were awarded the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 1962. Their work unveiled the molecular structure of nucleic acid and its significance for information transfer in living material. Cut.
Action.
Maurice Wilkins continued to advance the field of biophysics, contributing to our understanding of DNA and RNA structures. His legacy endures through his scientific contributions and the institutions that honor his work, such as the Franklin Wilkins Building at King's College in London.
The structure of DNA is too beautiful not to be true.
Before the
X-rays,
before the
Nobel Prize,
before the
Nobel Drama,
there was just a kid in New Zealand, staring up at the stars.
Maurice Hugh Frederick Wilkins was born in Pongaroa, New Zealand, 1916. His family wasn't wealthy, but they were curious. His father was a doctor, and maybe, just maybe, that sparked something in him.
when Maurice was just 6'6", his family moved halfway across the world to Birmingham, England. Imagine that. Cold, foggy skies, industrial smoke, and yet his curiosity only grew.
First, he went to King Edward School, where he stood out. Not the loudest student, but the person who always looked deeper. He later learned a spot at St. John's College, Cambridge, where he studied physics.
He didn't just want to learn how things move. He wanted to learn why light bends. Why do atoms behave the way they do? Why things exist the way they exist. But then came the war, World War II. While others were called the battlefield, Maurice was called to the lab, working on radar. Even the Manhattan Project, he hated war, but he believes science could help handed.
It was during this time he discovered something else, the power of X-ray diffraction, a tool that would soon reveal what no one else had ever seen, the true shape of light.
But before we get there, we need to step into a quiet little lab in London, a place where he wasn't working alone anymore, and where things were about to get complicated.
Maurice Wilkins went to King's College in London, where he was a member of the staff of newly formed Medical Research Council Biophysics Research Unit. He was first concerned with the genetic effects of ultrasonics. After 1 or 2 years, he changed his research to development of reflecting microscopes. For that ultraviolet microstrophonometric study of nucleic acid in cells.
He then began X-ray diffraction study of DNA and sperm heads. The discovery of the well-defined pattern led to the deriving of the molecular structure of DNA. Further X-ray studies established the correctness of the Watson-Crick proposal for DNA structure. He then began X-ray diffraction study of DNA and sperm heads. The discovery of the well-defined pattern led to the deriving of the molecular structure of DNA. Further X-ray studies established the correctness of the Watson-Crick proposal for DNA structure.
Action.
Wilkins then became assistant director of the Medical Research Council Unit in 1950 and deputy director in 1955. A sub-department of biophysics was formed in King's College, and he was made honorary lecturer in it. In 1961, a full department of biophysics was established.
He was elected FRS in 1959, given the Albert Lasker Award, also with Watson and Crick, by the American Public Health Association in 1960, and made Companion of the British Empire in 1962.
After a long, fulfilled scientific career, Maurice Wilkins then married Patricia Ann Chidgey in 1959. They have 2 daughters, Sarah, and a son, George. He finds his recreations in collections of sculptures and in gardening. Until he died October 2004.
Womp
Let his
womp.
soul rest in peace.
Gang type shit.
Maurice Wilkins. We will remember you. Love you. Love you. Bye.